Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a screen time password. First, open your device's Settings app. Then, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. You'll see an option to turn on screen time. Go ahead and tap that. This feature helps you manage your device usage effectively. It's a great tool for maintaining digital well-being for yourself or family members. Now, let's create your passcode. Tap Use Screen Time Passcode to ensure only you can change settings. Enter a unique 4-digit passcode that you'll easily recall. You'll need to enter it a second time to confirm. For added security and recovery, input your Apple ID and password. This step is crucial if you ever forget your passcode, allowing you to reset it. With your passcode set, you can now customize usage. Select downtime to schedule periods when only essential apps are available. You can choose specific apps to be always allowed. Next, explore app limits. Here, you can set daily time limits for entire categories like social networking or entertainment, ensuring balanced usage. For example, you might allow 1 hour for games. Finally, let's look at content and privacy restrictions. Turn this on to gain granular control over what can be accessed or changed on the device. You can manage explicit content, restrict web content, and even prevent in-app purchases. It also allows you to limit changes to account settings or cellular data usage. Remember to review these settings periodically to ensure they meet your needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.